Hello guys, this is Frank, the Anointed FX. I know you can remember what I said about bringing videos, educating video this very year, starting from February to this YouTube channel. So this is one of the videos, but this is an introductory for those who don't know about anything about Forex, for those who are still looking at it, whether it's a thing they can do, whether it's a thing they cannot do. This is an introductory part of it. The subsequent one will be more insightful gradually until we get to the place we be. I want to expose us to every area of this trade. So without wasting much of our time, let's just begin by introducing Forex to the new webbies in this space. Okay, this is no people maybe you may be scrolling down and see people posting profit. I made such amount in profit. I made such amount in crypto. I made such amount in this one. I made such amount, and so you'll be enticed to ask or to find out what it is or what it may be and how you can participate in it. That is, this video is for you, and you will pay close attention to understand uh, what forex trading really is. Okay, without the matter, what is forex trading? If I may ask, forex trading is also a foreign exchange trading. It simply means conversion of one currency to another currency. When you are converting one currency to another currency, so the difference in price is your profit. That when you are converting one currency to another currencies, let's take for instance in Nigeria, if you are converting naira to dollar, you may meet somebody selling you naira to dollar at rate of 1,630. Another person say at rate of 1,625. So the conversion rate differs, and the difference is their profit. So the person that's selling the 1,635 making profit of 5 naira. The person that's selling 1,630 is making profit of 2 naira, where depending on where he bought it and how he bought. That is forex trading. So in this digital space, that kind of trading is an analog and the offline trading. But here, digital space and the online trading, we trade in charts. You read charts. You don't trade only naira and dollar. You trade in many currency pairs like euro, US dollar, euro, Great Britain, US dollar, euro, US dollar, Japanese yen. So many of them, including stock and indices and all the rest of them. So many of them trade all of them online. How do we trade them? How do we make profit? We make use of uh, analytic tools to predict the market, and then we'll make profit by knowing buying low and selling high, or buying high and selling low. So that is how profit is made in forex trading. So in that chart, that thing they do offline, they did it in offline way. It may take you some like 2 days, 3 days before you make some sales. But in digital line, you will make some sales in 2 minutes, in 5 minutes, you make profit in 2 minutes, in 3 minutes, you make profit. That is why it is a more viable online business than doing it offline. So that is all about forex trading. So why do we trade forex? We trade forex to make profit. Every business is for profit making. Forex trading is like just on any other business, like opening a shops, putting groceries inside your shop. You buy at a so price and you're selling at a so price. It assume you buy a biro in your groceries, you buy at 25 naira, and you're selling it in your shop per 20 naira per price. You understand? So that is the same thing goes with forex. You may buy euro at the rate of $1 32 cents. You sell euro at the rate of $1 50 cents. You are made profit. That is all about whether you do it online, whether you do it offline, it's still a business and you make profit. The difference there is that a normal traditional business offline does not have that volatility in price change. Like when you buy a goods, you can keep it for like 3 months. The price have not changed. Like 2 months, price have not changed. But in forex market, in a 3 minutes, price have changed. In 20 minutes, price have changed. So price change periodically. So you must buy fast and sell fast and look for opportunity to buy again and sell fast. So you must be fast and efficient. That is all. That is why digital one. That is different between the digital one and offline business. So Trading forex is a very lucrative business, and why we trade is to make profit. And many in it are making profit. But I must warn you, you don't just jump in and start making profit. You must undergo some courses, some trainings, and some educations to understand the technicalities and the tools used to analyze when market is cheaper and when market is good to buy and when market is good to sell. So you have to have that knowledge. If you have that knowledge in your fingertip, then money making, you will printing money all the time. So that is all for how do we do it for the forest. So the question here, another question I like to tackle is a forest a gambling? Just like Bet365, Betano, Bet Niger, is Forex the same thing? No. But there is an aspect of Forex that's like a gambling, like this option trade. You know, in option trading, you have to predict a price with time. That the price will go from here to here in this time. So it looks like a gambling there because you can actually tell which time the price will come to this place. In first business, you cannot actually tell that this price, it will take 3 days, it may take 4 days. But if they force you to predict a time aspect in price, then it becomes a gambling. Also, there's those who trade for it like a gambling. They risk so much, they risk all their money, thinking that price will jump like they predicted. No, it doesn't work like that. You have to understand risk management, money management, and be able to make some profit out of forex. So forex is not gambling; it's a pure business, and you have to know how this business is done in order to be able to make profit from this business. Okay, is a forex a scam? Never. Forex is not a scam, but there are some people that are scamming people inside the forest. There are some scam brokers. There is some prop firms. There's also some scam mentors that don't know anything. They just collect money and then scam you. You are looking to them to teach you something. They will not teach you the talk story up and down, and the rest of the day they can't get you to anywhere. You know about kind of scams they have in forest, but the forest trading itself is never a scam. I remember when I was trading forest, we used to when I was still learning. We used to attribute our losses to the broker. Our broker liquidate us, broker our thief our money. It's the broker that steal us. It's broker without knowing that we have not even understand. We don't even understand what moves the market, how the market move. It's when I come into, I begin to find, my mind was telling me that I have not learned this thing well. So I begin to search, do research, and stumble into Elliott Wave, stumble into ITC, and I discover, okay, this is have been so easy. If I have known this thing earlier, I was accusing brokers, I was accusing, I was everyone, and I was telling the people they are scammers. But today now, I'm happy because I'm not as good as ever. I have understand what it is, and I'm making very lot of profit from it. So that is all for you. Maybe you have tried it the first time, and you are saying, "This is a scam. This is a scam." No, it's not a scam. It's just that you have not learned the act of trading. If you learn the act of trading, you will enjoy it. So how do we trade forex? We trade forex by forex trading tools. Using forex trading tools, there are basic three forex trading tools. Number one is technical analysis. Number two is fundamental analysis. And number three is sentimental analysis. We're talking about technical analysis, talking about the use of chart analysis, use of drawings in the chart. You get to hear about people see some people drawing something in the chart like there's this what do they call it? There is a little wave. Like let me show you one of technical analysis. I think I have some technical analysis here. Let's dive in. Okay, let me go down to let me give you an example in the chart. Let me not be off head. Okay, technical. This is a technical analysis. This all these drawings here. They're all technical analysis. You can see the way I draw this place. I mark this place. I mark the low. I mark I predicted the price will drop, and the price is dropping gradually. All this is a technical analysis. The markings of the chart, the all the everything you know about these things, all technical analysis. There are so many of technical analysis. There are so many of them. So they are not one. And I will advise you that is coming into this space to learn as many as you can, to learn as many technical analysis as you can. So there are so many technical analysis. They are not one. That is an Elliott wave, a supply and demand. there is pivot, there is chart patterns, there is price action, there is candlestick patterns, there is all these technical analysis are good. But if I must advise you, I would advise you to focus on learning number one, candlestick pattern. Number two, chart pattern. Number three, Elliott wave. And then the final one, ITC. Where I can add supply and demand is good. Then ITC will give you an entry strategy. Then the Elliott wave will give you a broad scope of how where market is going, how market is behaving. Elliott wave can capture the fundamental analysis without even knowing fundamentals. Can use Elliott wave to predict fundamental analysis, even though it's technical analysis. So that's why I liked Elliott wave. Then other ones can help you also along the way. Talking about fundamental analysis, fundamental analysis is about um economic data of the currency that you are trading. Because we know that Nigerian economy is not good and naira is devalued, so everybody is trying to buy dollar. So also, if you know about economic news about so pair, you can take advantage of it. Like now, the dollar pair are cutting rate. It means that the economies are some downsizing. While Japanese pairs are increasing rate, it means that the economies is okay. They are trying to increase their interest rates. So looking at that scenario, you can know that selling US dollar Japanese yen in a long term is very good. The fundamental analysis normally take long term. It take times to mature. It's a long term kind of analysis. And you have it back of your mind that I'm not going to buy this pair and I'm going to look for sell opportunity when the pair starts selling, I'll start selling because I know that it's going to fall heavily because why? Dollar is cutting rate, while yen is what? Increasing rate. So that is for fundamental analysis. Then talking about sentimental analysis. Sentimental analysis is all about uh traders, traders view, investors view. So those investors that have big money, they have an influence in the market. Their big money can change direction of the market. Their big money can move on. So you have to understand their view. What is their view? That is where ITC trading strategy come in. ITC trading strategy can give you the sentimental analysis view, while Elliott wave can give you fundamental analysis view. Even though they are technical analysis, but they have some link to fundamentals and sentimentals. So I think that is where we are going to drop this video. I don't want this video to be long. But before I drop this video, you that is coming to Forex, I want you to know that it is not a day work. You just come and start making profit. You have to sit down, find a good mentor, find a good academy, and learn what it takes. It will take you like 3 months, 6 months if you are committed enough to become profitable. But if you are losing it as a part time, it will take you like 1 year and 2 years. For me, it took me up to 3 years because it's a part time for me that time. It took me to 3 years to learn it. And when I learn and start making profit, I dump everything I'm doing and then focus on it. So that is all for this very video. It's an introduction video. The next video we'll be talking about, you'll find out very soon. Okay, that is all, guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel, share this video that you can get other places. Just give a comment on this video so that YouTube can recommend it to others too. Other new traders can see it and avoid a pitfall and be able to find their way and find the truth about trading and find their way to start being profitable. That is all you can do for other traders out there. Just comment on this video, like the video so that YouTube can share it around so other traders can enjoy also. Thank you. Bye for now.